So what's inside the Obama administration's massive new financial reform law? Well, according to Paul Sperry in his new book, The Great American Bank Robbery, there's a scheme to socialize small business loans for minorities, setting the stage for another lending disaster. The new law also sets up the first ever federal insurance office to monitor, under threat of subpoena, insurance underwriters to make sure they are offering minorities affordable premiums, potentially subjecting the insurance industry to the same race-based standards that sank the banking industry. New regulatory regime does not discourage risky lending with tough new mortgage standards, as the media have reported. In fact, it does nothing to establish minimum underwriting guidelines, failing to specify credit scores or down payments. Far from mitigating risk through tighter lending criteria, the Dodd-Frank Act demands that underserved continue to have access to affordable mortgage credit, even waiving the income verification requirement for applicants refinancing federal loans. The Obama administration is pressuring loan officers to consider as valid sources of income unemployment benefits, welfare checks, or food stamps, repeating the cycle of lower underwriting standards that led to the housing crisis. In addition to home loans for minorities, CRA lobbyists are urging the administration to shake down banks for vendor contracts, retirement funds, stock holdings, and jobs for minorities, making inner-city wealth building the next CRA frontier. CRA, Community Reinvestment Act, 1977, basically set the stage for the housing crisis. Their ultimate goal is to bring all of corporate America, not just banks, under the purview of the CRA. In fact, CRA activists are also lobbying the Obama administration to subject any industry benefiting in any way from federal policies to racial litmus tests, including measures on hiring, contracting, and even corporate philanthropy. The administration, meanwhile, is laying the groundwork for overhauling the bedrock standard of the banking industry, FICO credit scoring system used to determine financial risk, to make it more minority-friendly. Among other changes, it seeks to enhance the credit score of immigrant borrowers, including those living in the United States illegally, by counting their remittance payments to Mexico. Meanwhile, the activist Obama Justice Department is ordering lenders to scrub clean the bad credit histories of minorities who have defaulted on subprime loans.